Breaking news! On 23rd August, Nvidia Q2 financial report has crushed the market revenue and EPS estimations. The price of Nvidia has pumped up to 500 after the earning report. However, it has fallen back down to 470 on the same day. So what happened to the Nvidia share price and what does the financial report of Nvidia tell us? The highest target price of Nvidia has adjusted to 1,100. Can Nvidia reach this highest target price? In this video, I will analyze the earnings of Nvidia and give you my opinions on whether Nvidia can reach the highest target price of 1,100. So make sure you stay till the end. Hello everyone, welcome back to STA Club, the club for stocks trading and analysis. This channel is dedicated to provide you with a high quality tutorial, guide, and insights that demystify the world of trading. Whether you are a beginner taking your first step in the financial markets or a trader looking to refine your strategies, there's something here for you. Are you curious about what happened to Nvidia stock's price after the earnings? What does the Q2 earning report tell us about Nvidia? Join us as we will share more trading secrets and valuable insight to sharpen your trading skill and knowledge. To stay updated and be the first to access this valuable information, hit the subscribe button now. By subscribing our channels, you are opening the door to a world of trading and maximize your potential for success. But before we dive in, a quick disclaimer, the information in this video is for education purpose only and it is not a buy or sell call. Without further ado, let us start our videos. As we know that Nvidia has just released its impressive financial reports for the second quarters of 2024, which has beat the market expectations. Their total revenue hit a new high of 13.51 billion, rising by a significant of 101% compared to the same period last year, and making an 88% increase from the previous quarters. The GAAP earning per dilute shares for the quarters were 2.48. It was up 854% from a year ago and up 202% from the previous quarters. The non-GAAP earnings per dilute shares were $2.7. It was up 429% from a year ago and up 148% from the previous quarters. One standout area was the data center divisions, which achieved record revenue of 10.32 billion. This is a remarkable growth of 171% from a year ago and a substantial 141% increase from the previous quarters. According to a CEO, Jensen Huang, stated that a new era of computing has started, shifting from general purpose computer to accelerated computers and generative AI. Thanks to the rise of the AI, the race to adopt AI from the big tech has increased the demand for Nvidia's products. Major cloud providers announced significant AI infrastructures projects using Nvidia technologies, while IT leaders join forces to integrate Nvidia AI into various industries. Besides that, the company had 3.95 billion remaining under its share repurchase authorizations. And also, the board of directors approved an additional 25 billion in the share repurchase. Nvidia plans to continue share repurchase this fiscal year. Thus, the company has given the market and us as investors a strong signal and confidence in their shares price. And there will be a cash dividend of 0.04 per share on September 28 to all shareholders of record date on September 7th. After the earnings reports of the company, the guidance of the company is always the most important part for us to determine future price and valuations. Nvidia has given guidance that their revenue is expected to be 16 billion for the next quarter. GAAP and non-GAAP gross margin are expected to be 71.5% and 72.5% respectively. In short, Nvidia financial report indicate remarkable achievement in terms of impressive revenue, strong data center performance, and its expected revenue and profit margin in the futures. After reading the financial report, I think a lot of people will FOMO and rush to buy Nvidia, which make the stock's price pump up to 500 at the pre-market after the earning reports. However, it has dropped to 473 on the day close. I guess a lot of people want to know why the price dropped from 500 to 473 on the same day. Isn't it the earnings report very good? Why does the price fluctuated so much on the same day? And how possible that price have gone up to 500 and dropped back down to 473? As you know that recently, Nvidia stocks has been considered the most popular stocks in US markets. A lot of short-term investors are betting on its earnings, thus the huge price volatility after an earnings report is very common, especially for hot stocks like Nvidia. While the earning report may exceed the expectations, the market can be unpredictable. Sometimes even if the results are positive, the sell the news situation will still happen. This is a common market phenomenon where investors or traders sell their holdings immediately after a positive news event such as the earnings reports, even though the events appears to be favorable. This is because trader might buy a stocks in anticipations of positive news or earnings, driving up the price before the earnings are officially released. Once the earnings become public, the short-term trader may choose to sell and take profits, leading to a huge price decline, especially if a lot of people had intent to make short-term gains from the events. No doubt that the earnings of Nvidia are perfectly strong, but how will the price go? And now I will share my view on the target price of Nvidia. In the last part of the video, I will use the easiest technical analysis strategies and provide useful key level for the stocks. If you want me to analyze more companies like this, make sure you subscribe to my channels and comment below to let me know. Before the technical analysis, let's get more guidance from the price target of the professional research analysts. Recently, Nvidia received a boost in its target price from analysts, following outstanding Q2 earnings and promising Q3 guidance. A tip-rank analyst raised the price target from 800 to the highest target price of 1,100 for Nvidia, implying a potential 139% increase and emphasizing Nvidia's remarkable performance. This positive sentiment aligns with another analyst who also increased price target due to strong demand and potential growth. While challenges like export restrictions to China and supply limitations, analysts believe this won't significantly impact Nvidia, foreseeing potential sales growth in other regions. Despite the hurdles, analysts remain bullish, with an average 12-month price target of 631.8, supported by 39 buy analyst recommendations and 1 hold recommendations on tip rank. This optimism is showcasing confidence in Nvidia's ability to navigate challenges and continue its growth trajectory in the evolving tech landscape. Nvidia has significantly benefited from the surge in demands for generative AI technologies. The increasing adoption of AI solutions across industry has underscored the company's relevance and provide a feel on its price. From the earnings, we know that the growth rate is high for Nvidia. I believe that in the short term, Nvidia earnings could grow at a fast pace. However, the high growth rates should never be sustained in the long term. While everyone is focused on the growing demand, not many are looking at the supply side. Think of it like this, the store might have a lot of shoppers, but there might not be enough product on the shelf. This situation can put a cap on how much Nvidia can grow and earn. Investors should pay more attention to the risk, especially when the stock's price and valuation are high. They are betting big on Nvidia's growth due to the high demand for its products. But keep in mind that the company's ability to meet the demand might have some limitations due to the supply constraints. It is a balanced act between how much people want and how much can actually be provided. Consider both sides of this equation is important. This is one of the reasons I think why Nvidia stock is hard to reach 1,100. To me, the price target of 1,100 is too high, and it is implying a potential gain of over 600 from its current price levels. I don't think in the short term of 3 to 6 months, Nvidia could reach the price. I believe that the rise of AI presents incredible opportunities for the world and technologies. However, it is important to understand that the widespread adoption of AI might not happen overnight. Just like any new technologies, it takes time for people and business to fully embrace and integrate AI into their processes. It is a journey that can span several years. While innovation like ChatGPT has kickstarted the AI adoption process, the actual use of AI is still limited. The shift toward AI is more like a marathon than a sprint, and it is required patience and gradual integration to truly harness its potentials. There are parallels between the excitement around AI today and the dot-com bubbles of the late 90s. During the dot-com bubble, there was a frenzy of investment in internet-related companies, many of which had skyrocketing stocks price without solid business fundamentals. Similarly, the market enthusiasm for AI has led to the high valuations for companies in the AI space, often without a clear understanding of how long it might take for AI technology to mature and deliver substantial returns. While there are similarities between AI and the dot-com bubbles, the context and underlying factors are indeed different. The dot-com bubbles was marked by speculative investment in internet-related companies, many of which lack of solid business fundamentals. However, AI today is backed by real technology advancement and practical applications such as ChatGPT and AI-generated image tools. I think that the long-term potentials of AI is well-funded. The transformative power of AI is evidenced in various sectors, and tools like ChatGPT demonstrated its practical impact. The same goes for Nvidia. The price of 1,100 may be too high for Nvidia to reach, but I think the average price target of 631 is still reasonable after the remarkable earnings from Nvidia. So now it's time for us to use technical analysis to determine the important key levels. Before that, if you like my channels and my perspective on Nvidia financial report and its futures, subscribe to our channels so that you will not miss out any latest video in the future. Based on Nvidia day chart, it has been on an uptrend since October 2022. The key level of Nvidia are 372, 408, 439, and 467. After the earning report, the price moved up to 502 and dropped back down to 473 on the same day, resulting in a move up to 467 area and close down. In this case, prices are still within the uptrend channels. We will continue to trade with the uptrend until proven otherwise. To be honest, the price of Nvidia are a bit too high as there is a lot of hype around Nvidia. So how can we position ourselves to ride on this uptrend if it is continued in the short term? So I have two plans on Nvidia's for trading the trends. First scenario, I will look at the price rebounding at 439 and continue to ride the upward trend. If you are more conservative, I think that the Nvidia price right now is too high for you. Thus, I would not rush in at this price right now. Scenario 2 would be to wait for the price to move further down to 408. When that's happened, price will be out of the uptrend, but the uptrend is still intact unless a lower high and lower low present itself. Because I think prices are on the high side, I would prefer a deeper pull down. Remember, no matter how confident you are in your analysis, the market can be unpredictable. Setting a stop loss ensures that if a trade doesn't go as planned, your loss are controlled. It's like having a plan B that keep your hard-earned money safe. So before you dive into your next trade, take a moment to consider setting a reasonable stop loss level. It is a smart move that can save you from big losses and keep you in the trading game for a long run. So my target price for Nvidia with an average 12 month will be the average price target of 631 from the analyst in tip rank. Despite that, I don't think that 1,100 is reachable in the near term, but I will still want to ride the strong uptrend of Nvidia in the market. In this case, is there any strategy that can ride the uptrend at the same time control my risk from that? I can tell you the answer is definitely yes. Let me introduce you to the easiest technical analysis skills, which we call it trailing stop loss. This approach can help you lock in gains as the stock's price rises while ensuring that you are protected if the market reverses. Trailing stop loss are valuable tools in helping us to capture potential gains while also protecting against significant loss in case of unexpected market movements. This method allows you to ride the uptrend while mitigating the risk of a major downturn. And if you want to ride the trend to maximize your profit on the way up, you can consider a trailing stop loss using the 50 days moving average. Exits when price close below the moving average will allow you to maximize your profits throughout the trend. This example shows you if you make an entry in February, you will able to ride the trend all the way up to August. And this is how you can use the 50 days moving average trailing stop loss to maximize your profit during the uptrend. So happy tradings and stay safe out there. It will be the end of the video. If you like this video and think this video has been very helpful to you, smash the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss out on our latest videos in the future. Comment below, tell me your opinions. Thank you for the like and share. See you in next video.